Okay, so I went outside today without any hair care products, nothing to protect my hair from the damaging effects of the sun and its 94-degree feeling today. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go in the house, I'm gonna take a shower first because I smell terrible, and I'm going to apply the Midnight Rose leave-in conditioner that I make and I sell on my shop. What's going to happen is at the end of the day we're going to see just how revitalized my hair is going to be. As of right now, it's really dry, it's flaking, and it kind of hurts a bit. So without further ado, let's go. Alright, so as you can see right here, this looks terrible. My hair looks rough, it's dry. I just, ooh, ouch. I don't really know what I was doing in my life, and it's obviously evident that I wasn't really doing my life right. So I'm about to hop in the shower quick, take a quick little shower, scrub a dub in the tub, you know what I'm saying, get nice, ready, and clean to take care of this. Get my cold water on the hair and get this Midnight Rose into full effect. I gotta make sure I do this correct. If not, then why did I even show up at all? This is about redemption. So let's go. Okay, nice effect there, Mike. Nice. Okay, good job. You're doing really good with this editing thing you got going on here. But whatever, who cares? So, scrub a dubbin. Oh, Chris, say something? Oh, you say something? Nah, you ain't say nothing. Shut up. So, the most important reason why I did this is I wanted to show how Midnight Rose really does an amazing job of locking in moisture. I think it's extremely important for me as the owner and everything else or whatever I do to show that my products are not just for show, they're for greatness. They're to show you the greatness of goodness of greatness. So that's where we're at here with this greatness of goodness. All right, so fresh out the shower, bam, drop the chest, get the ears, get all that stuff back. Okay, Mike, we're done with this. All right, come on, speed it up. There we go. All right, so now we got the Midnight Rose and I'm applying it to every single part of my hair, my beard, and my soul. I'm trying to get all of that back into the picture because let's be honest, it's not looking that great right now. So I'm applying it in deep as you can see, trying to get all that up in there. No hair is left unturned. No hair is left unloved, okay, untreated, okay, and not given the proper life that it deserves. Because I've been mistreating and not taking good care of my hair this entire day. So we're not doing this anymore. We're not allowing this to happen anymore, okay? Not today, okay? Not today. I'm passionate about this, but I again digress. As you see, I put the shower cap on. The whole point of this is to keep all the moisture in there. Ain't none of it going nowhere. It's staying in there with me forever. It's not going away. Lock it in there. Bam, I'm gonna lock all this in. I'm gonna look great. I'm gonna feel great. I'm gonna smell great. I'm gonna just be like an amazing person all over again. Because look at that. Look at me. Shining. Yeah. Beyonce. American. Shining. Yeah. Whew. Okay. All right. Breathing in my own breath. That sucks. Oh my gosh, it feels amazing. You said what? Yes, it feels so, oh my gosh, this feels amazing. Oh, it feels so good. Jeez Louise. Wow. Wow, okay, so yeah, I left it for about an hour, and yeah, my hair and beard, well, I'm taking my beard as hair, but my hairs feels spectacular. So moisturized. Whew. Now I'm gonna spend the night on that satin pillow. And yeah. Gosh, dang, I feel great. So yeah, if you're suffering, from really dry hair, give it a shot. Okay, it literally just requires this, and your shower, and hopefully your shower works. They don't want to build a small. But yeah, all right. So if you haven't already done so, you should subscribe and hit the like button and leave a comment below. All those things to just say you really appreciate my amazing talents of hair stuff. I don't know, whatever. But yeah, all right. I'm going to bed. It's nighttime. See it. Okay, it's like 3 in the morning or something, and I couldn't sleep. But I wanted you all to see just how amazing my hair is. Yeah. Okay.